The lesson of the trap: how wisdom triumphs over evil. It is said that once upon a time, a very wicked man decided to play a trick on a master, famous for his wisdom. He prepared an infallible trap, as only the wicked can conceive. He took a bird and held it in his hands, imagining that he would go to the elderly and experienced master, asking him the following question. "Master, the bird that I bring in my hands is alive or dead?" Naturally, if the master answered that it was alive, he would crush it with his hands, showing the small corpse. If the answer was that the bird was dead, he would open his hands, freeing it and allowing it to fly, gaining the heights. Whatever the answer, he would be in error in the eyes of all who witnessed the scene. So he thought. So he did. When several disciples were around the venerable Lord, he approached and formulated the fatal question. The sage looked deeply into the man's eyes. He seemed to want to examine the most hidden of his soul, then replied, calm and secure. "The fate of this bird, my son, is in your hands."
The parable is a fictional story that aims to teach a moral lesson. The moral of the parable is that the actions and choices we make have consequences and that each person is responsible for their own actions. It is important to be aware of the consequences of our choices and to act in an ethical and responsible manner. This can help us make better decisions and live a more meaningful life.